What's going on, guys? Just wanted to show you this job that I got to. I'm on a one-time checkout here. Attic access is over there. No real platform to be seen to walk, no catwalk or anything, which isn't surprising. But you come in, first thing I start noticing is there's pieces of insulation everywhere from like service panels. And then our Panduit nightmare. I guess these guys didn't have any strapping, so they just used bags of Panduit straps and just piggybacked them together, strapped everything up. Got a little Y right there they tapped into. Return below my feet. Has a sweet 180-degree bend in it. I'm sure that works brilliantly. And comes up, wedges through there. But once I got up here on this upper level, I found the air handler, which you can see a ton of trash. Looks like the old equipment they broke down and just left most of the pieces up here. But here's the air handler that they so conveniently installed facing the opposite direction. See, they got bricks holding it up. Pan's had a ton of water in it at some point in time. I guess this was somebody's solution, wedging PVC under the emergency pan. Good Lord. You can see all the mildew on the mastic. This thing probably has airflow issues. Wouldn't be shocked, but you gotta climb through, basically climb on top of the air handler in order to get to the service side of the air handler. But if we duck under here, you can see more Panduit straps. And here's our returns. You can see they partially panned off part of this return. You can see more trash everywhere. It's like a TXV, pieces of an evaporator coil, more evaporator coil stuff. Looks like a service panel. Just trash everywhere. We got our TXV. Partially insulated suction line. Bulb is on the bottom side. Not sure what the hell they were doing with that electrical tape Armaflex on the power head, but who knows. That one goes down, has supplies resting right on top of it. Another Y, they tapped into that and ran that small run. Yeah, it's hard to see. Returns wedged back through those trusses. This is just a perfect example on how manufacturers get a bad rap, and not necessarily the fault of the manufacturer. Everything breaks, as we've all talked about. Look at this line set. Just snaked through here. Just leaning against the trusses. Leaning against the trusses. Pulled tight around that truss. But we all joke around, some serious, some not, about Junkie Goodman. And this is a prime example of how it's not Goodman's fault that these window lickers installed this system the way they did. It has nothing to do with Goodman. Now, everything breaks, like I said, but this is how equipment gets bad raps. From morons like this doing hack work. So don't focus as much on the actual manufacture of the equipment. Focus on installing it correctly, serviceable, cleaning up your crap, everything, because all of that in the end reflects the manufacturer or reflects the business. But don't be like these guys. You can put any brand of equipment in that you want. Just take the time to do it right, and you typically won't have many problems with it. You're gonna run across stuff any way you go, whether it's high end, low end, regardless of brand name. But do your customers a favor for one, and don't do garbage like this, because this is madness. Install equipment how you would want it installed in your house or your mother's house or your grandmother's house, somebody you care about, because this kind of hackery should not be in our industry. But there you go, guys. I'm gonna end this now so I can get this knocked out. It's only getting hotter in this attic, but figured some of you guys would appreciate this this hackery. Don't be a window licker. That's the tip of this video. Do not be a window licker. Take it easy, guys.